Hello everyone, my name is Nana and I'm a digital entrepreneur and I build AI systems and automations for small businesses and coaches, creators, like I help scale their business. So I have a community on WhatsApp, the Build Room, where I teach people about AI automations, how to automate their YouTube, how to automate their businesses and products and AI. And last Saturday on our class, I made a promise I was going to teach them how to make a WordPress site with AI so that they can get the app password for if they want to automate their web process, maybe their web publishing and other stuff like that. So I'll just get into the video. So Hostinger is my hosting that I use. I'm going to attach my link below. If you use my link, you're going to get 20% discount. So as a discount, if you want to start hosting websites. So I'll just get into it. And you want to search Hostinger, and then you want to click on this first, hostinger.com. That's the website. So with this email. So come here, and I'm just going to show you guys how to create an account first, and then I'll show you guys how to buy hosting, and then finally I'll show you guys how to deploy WordPress sites and how to design it with AI and all that. So here I just prefer to use Google. If you use Google, or you can just put your email and password, and it's just easier this way. So yeah, you just want to, you can set up all those things, but I don't know, we don't have time for all that in this video. So you want to come here, and this is my account, just using that. Then you want to go to our website, and here you're going to see all the plans. You see agency, you don't want to have any business with all this. I don't know if you understand me. You want to come to individual and business plans, because agency plans are for people that if you are selling, because some people buy this and then they resell. Okay, so I don't, I'm not a reseller, so if you're just buying to build, oh, oh, okay. And that's my coupon extension. So you want to choose the business plan. This is the one I prefer. You can have up to 5 React apps here, like JS apps, up to 50 websites, 5 mailboxes, and free domain for 1 year. All their plans have free domain for 1 year. This is the cheapest. So if you're starting small, this can host just one website. So next time you want to make a website, you have to buy another hosting again. And this one can host up to 3 websites. So next time we want to make, you buy. And the difference is just $1. Like this is literally $3.99, but I think this is on 8 months. So you want to switch it to 12 months. So you see here, this is $5, this is $4, and this is $3. So you want to pay $5 instead to be able to host 50 websites instead of paying $4 for just 3. And then you get 5 mailboxes and 5 new JS apps. So this is just like a no-brainer deal. And I think that's what they wanted. For their basic plan to be $5 monthly. So you want to choose the plan. And here you have 2 months. You add your card details here, add your payment details. And if you use my link here, you're going to get a 20% off here. So you're paying around 49 US here. And then you complete and then you check out. And once you check out, you're going to see a prompt to just add your personal detail, like just KYC, basic KYC. No need for any verification, just your name, your email, your address, your phone number, and you are good to go. Then you're going to see a prompt to claim your free domain. Or if you don't see that, you just want to come to domains here and go to domain portfolio, and they're going to show you they're going to show you to get the new domain, transfer domain, and claim a free domain. So here, what I'm going to, so this is about setting up your account and getting a hosting. So now you know how to set up accounts and get a hosting. I'm not going to be buying the hosting because I have a lot of hostings already and I don't need one right now. So I'm going to switch to my account where I have a hosting and I have a free domain. I want to use the domain for something else, but I'm going to use it for this purpose to teach you guys how to make the WordPress. After which I'll delete and then people that want to build it. So yeah, I think this is the end for here. So I want to switch back to this. On this account, I have a hosting here and I have a free domain. So you want to sign in. My password is saved, so you can. Okay. So you can get. So yeah, this is the domain I bought, soundrights.ng, and I already have my details here. So so this is just for like the who is, just for to know who owns the website. Lagos zip code 106 Yep. Yeah. So continue. Yeah. So if you finish by when you have your hosting already, if you come to domain, you see You see the list of your domains here, and then you can see pending verification. Check your inbox and verify the email address that you use. So you want to go to the email address you provided, like when that's after like you buy your domain. But since you're buying okay, I'll still show you guys how to buy a domain just in case. If you already have a hosting, if you already have a hosting, then you already know like how this goes. So, but let's just do it for add new domain, get a new domain, and then you type in, let's say, thebuildroom.com. Want to search, let's see if it's available. If it's available, then I might have to buy it later, just for the culture. So our community has like an owned platform. That would be interesting. Let's see if it's available. Then I can buy it later and then do something, upload all our shenanigans and all that. Yeah, the buildroom is already taken, but let's assume that it wasn't taken. Okay, let's add .n buildroom.net. We see the buildroom, the .com domains are very much cheaper here. .com domains are very much cheaper. So let's put the buildroom ng.com. There's no way this is taken, yes. So it says, but if you're buying for 3 years, the first year is 0.01 US. So you come here, you change this to 1 year, except you want to buy for 3 years. If you're buying for 3 years, you bet it's $9, $40, which is the best way to buy. Because it's going to like save you, because you'll be saving almost $20 on this. And then is kind of an insurance as well, because after like 1 year, the cost of renewing your domain is no longer $10, it becomes higher. It increases, like when you have more value, the domain value increases, so the cost of renewing it increases as well. So here you want to change this to 1 year if you just have a little money to start, and then you want to continue to check out, and then register this domain. Your details will be here. If you've not registered any details, there will be option for you to add your information, just basic information and address. Then you add your card details, and then you complete payments, and you have your domain. But here we already have our domain, so we'll just go to domain portfolio. Don't lose your select, leave anyway. So here we're working with this. So I want to go to manage, and yep, it's verified. And want to get started, create websites, creating a website. Here you want to skip personalization. Here upload empty, you want to, yes, upload empty public, yes. So if you have a team, if you have a code or script, this is the way you want to use. But we're using the WordPress, so we'll go back here and then we'll select here, select WordPress here, and then we'll click on next. Select this domain and then click on next. Here you see create websites with AI. If you have no experience, you can just click on this and you're good to go. If you want to start from scratch, you can start from scratch. But what we're going to do is we'll create with AI and then we'll delete it and then start from scratch. Yes. Oh my god. Okay, so actually don't like. I mean, it's good, but like I think it's a waste of time for me. And here you can easily claim your business email, but you can do that from the H panel as well. All you want to do is you can come to emails and claim free email. Select this, confirm, get start free 0000 start free trial. Let's use hello at foundry.ng. So there you have it. So now I can send emails with hello at yeah, you can just come here. So now when I have this email, I can send an email with this now hello at foundrights.ng. So that's how you get your business email. And here, let's see what's the problem. Close. I think we'll do this later. This is not the main reason why we're here. Okay. So that's how to create a WordPress site. And if you come here, you can see that this is already WordPress. I think maybe I should put this here. Yeah. So here now you see, you want to come to users. To get your app password, you want to come here. You want to go to profile. And this will bring you here. And then you just want to come here, add application password. You just put a name. Maybe if you're using it for like your N8 automation, or you're using it for maker.com, or whatever it is, if it's YouTube, anything you want to do for. So it's like N8 automation, add application password, and then you copy this application password, and then you are good to go. So you can take this application password and now use it for your automation. So let me revert that, because I actually don't need that, and I'll delete this one. So this, if you decide to like use the, so I'm going to do something. I'm going to delete the WordPress. and then use the normal way. Yep. So go back to domain portfolio, manage this. Congrats, manage your websites. Come here. So you want to add your websites, WordPress. Found right, you choose the domain name. Next, you build from scratch. After installing the WordPress, you're good to go. And then I'm going to show you guys how to like now design your websites with AI. So that's like the next part of this video. Once this is installed, this video is going to be very long. It's 21 minutes. But I mean, it's like there's a lot of value, and maybe I can clip them into series. Should I do that? Do you guys think I should like clip them into different sections? That makes sense. I think that'll stress me, guys. You guys will have to watch it like this. Sorry, but like maybe I'll still do it, maybe, but I don't know if I'm not too exhausted because you guys know I work a 9 to 5 hour job, so sometimes I'm just like overwhelmed with the whole thing. So you guys should like give me some grace too. I'm your baby. Yeah, it's 22 minutes now, so yes, I think this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to leave all these things. You want to come to plugins, and then you want to install add plugin. You want to go here, add plugin, and then you want to install Elementor. This is going to just help you build better websites. You want to come to settings. I don't know why I chose this rubbish name. It changes to website test. And yeah, if you want to add this thing, this kind of image, the faith icon, you just upload it here. And then if you want to add, you can see here, new chat cloud. You can the cloud part you put it like the tagline, and then yep, that's it. After that, you save changes. Let's save changes on this. So this name clears. Yeah. So you want to come here. You want to add a page. You want to go to AI, and then you tell cloud make. Let's just use something simple. You can now use like whatever prompting you want when you're making your own, depending on the kind of website you want to make. So make a simple service website for a local spa in Lagos. So you select the main part of this prompt is make it a HTML site. I can copy into my WordPress HTML code editor. All these other parts is just define what you want in your website. So you can even like ask it, if you can tell it something like this and then tell it to guide you on the best features and prompting that you can use to get the best results, a professional results. So you just use your mind here. And then remember, I can copy and paste into my WordPress HTML editor. Just that simple. You're going to see what's going to do. Very easy. I'm going to make another video later because I've installed a lot of skills on my cloud, so that allows it to like build things in a very beautiful way. So let's see what is going to like generate here. You can like absolutely do this with like the free plan. You don't have to install all those things. Like I'm using this is like just the basic chat feature is in every cloud, so every cloud can do this. Spa. And if you do give me credits, maybe I should open it. What do you guys think? Yeah, I should open this spa and then meet Spa and then find a TT to manage it. I have a meeting by 7 p.m. with one of you guys. I'm supposed to help them set up their YouTube. So exhausted for you. Really taking this time. For it to be taking this long, you must be cooking something. Can't even wait to see. It's done. So let's see the preview. Oh, that's so beautiful. I like the color used. The color fits ATT. And let's see what it says here. Why is the hero section blank? Now, if you want to just add something here, you can just tell it to like add image to this hero section or some texture or something. So this is what the website looks like. So you want to copy this. And you're going to go to this place at the page. Always show patterns. Just get the fuck out of here. So here you want to come to this place. And then you want to switch to code editor. And then here, this is going to be the home page. And you want to paste the code here. And publish. Now we'll see what it looks like. Oh. Okay, here's what you do after this. You want to close this. Then you want to go back here. And you want to come to settings. And you want to go to reading. And your home page displays a static page here. You choose this page, you come to home page, you select the home page that we just created as the home page, post page. You can leave it like this. And here, here. And then you save changes. Let's go back and see if this is better. Okay, still looks the same. Let's see here. Appearance Sims 2025. I think this is probably something we should do. So this is the Elementor plugin I wanted us to get. So after that, you can just sign in here. Let's just do this. Continue as a guest. Skip. Yes, continue with this thing. Continue with free. So yeah, we just installed a new theme, Hello Elementor, that allows you to use Elementor to build, and that's way better because that way it's easier to blank site start from scratch. Come here. Let's go back to WordPress for a minute. So I want to come back to pages, and then I want to pick the page. And I want to edit this page. Then we're going to edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor. And then here we're going to come to this page settings. You want to come up here to page settings, and then you change this page layout to Elementor canvas. So now that removes everything else, and you can see how it looks now. This is such a very beautiful website. Then you want to publish here. Okay. Yeah, there you have it. So this is what the site looks like. Very fast, very beautiful, and there you have your website. So this is how to go from 0 to one. Guys, do you know how much you can charge for this website? I mean, and it does everything. Handles everything. All this here now is connected. This is your address, phone number. You just need to put in all these details, and you're good to go. Rest is a ritual, no illusion. So you see what it looks like. Services, about, treatments, reviews. I wish this were the actual price for this thing here in Lagos. I would have been going every day. So yes, that's how to make a WordPress site, and it's time for me to go and handle my business. And I already showed you guys how to get your password as well. So keep journey.